Good morning, it's Monday, November the 15th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, hopefully you all had a tremendous week and got a chance to relax, catch a little bit of NFL football. Hopefully you got a chance to watch a game yesterday, the Steelers and the Patriots. Great game. It got exciting near the end. Unfortunately, the Steelers did not win it. The Patriots did, though. Brady had a great game. Actually, so did Roethlisberger. But with that out of the way, we've got 6 great press releases for you this morning, coming out of the U.S. side and the Canadian side, 2 out of the Canadian side, 4 out of the U.S. side, and I've got 1 halt to report on the second segment of the show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a gold company called Fronteer Gold. They trade on the TSX under the symbol FRG. They also trade on the amex under the symbol FRG. The company is announcing ongoing drilling, which returned the best intercept to date at its wholly owned Long Canyon gold deposit, which is located in Nevada. Obviously, one of the friendliest areas to be mining in. These are new results, which are largely concentrated to northeast of the current resource area, which include, and we got some big ones here. We've got 12.3 grams per ton of gold over 50 meters. So that's a great intercept and great concentration. And included within that, they've got 21 grams per ton of gold over 23.5 meters. So congratulations to Frontier. Great numbers. They're last at 874, high of 984, low of 388, market cap $150 million. Moving on to our next one, Keegan, another gold company. They trade on the TSX under the symbol KGN. These guys are also on the New York Stock Exchange Amex, also under the symbol KGN. They're announcing assay results from their nyse project drilling, which is in the southwest of Ghana. They encountered significant gold intercepts. I'll give you a couple of them. First one's in hole number 872, which returned 33 meters of 2 grams per ton of gold, and hole number 878, which returned 180 meters of 1.2 grams per ton of gold. The company is focused on their wholly owned flagship nyse project. They're last at 872, high of 894, low of 492, market cap of approximately $46 million. Now, moving over to the U.S. side, we got a lot of financials to report on. First one, China Sunergy. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CSUN. They're a specialized solar cell module manufacturer based in China. They're announcing the results for the third quarter 2010. Revenues were $125 million. That represents a 57% increase year over year. Gross profit, $25 million, represents an increase of approximately 200%, up from $8.2 million year over year. Net income was $15 million compared to net income of $7.7, so again, 100% increase year over year. Company is last at $4.59, high of $5.84, low of $3.40, market cap of just over $200 million. Moving on to the next one, China Industrial Waste Management. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CIWT. They're announcing also financials for the third quarter ended September 30th, 2010. They've got revenues of approximately $4.6 million. That's up 47% year over year. Gross profit increased 24% to $2.4 million year over year. Net income increased almost 50% to $1 million, and that's up from $700,000 year over year. A little bit about the company. They're engaged in the collection, treatment, disposal, and recycling of industrial waste. Principally in China, they're last at $1.70, high of $3.45, low of $1.15. They've got a market cap of $27 million. Next one, China ACM. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CADC. They're a former AGORACOM client. They're a provider of ready-mix concrete and related technical services in China. They've been on the show a number of times. They're announcing financial results for the fiscal year 2011. First quarter ended September 30th, 2010. Revenues increased 60% year over year to $31 million. They have a gross margin of 13%. Non-GAAP adjusted net income is up 35% year over year to $3.3 million. As of this press release, they have working capital of $28 million as of September 30th, 2010. My apologies. Last at 468, high of 775, low of 295, market cap of approximately $82 million. And we're moving on to the last one, China Clean Energy on the bulletin board under the symbol CCGY. The company is a producer of biodiesel fuel and environmentally friendly specialty chemical products. made from renewable sources in China. They're announcing their third quarter ended September 30th, 2010. Revenue totaled $16 million, it's up 300% year over year. Gross profit $3.7 million, up 382% year over year. Gross margin was 23%. It's up from 19.3% year over year. And finally, net income was $1.8 million compared to a net loss of $700,000 year over year. Cash and cash equivalents totaled $9.1 million at the end of September 2010. So some great numbers coming out of these Chinese small cap companies. You might want to take a look at them. This one is last at $1.25. High of $1.36, low of 36, market cap of just under $40 million. And we're moving on to the halts. I've got one for you, Fairlawn Mining on the TSX. They're halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.